Every year, millions of people die from sudden cardiac arrest, often because no one knew what to do. In this video, you will learn how to perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR. Before approaching the victim, ensure the area is safe. Your safety comes first. Approach the person and gently tap their shoulder. Ask them if they are okay. If there is no response, shout for help. Instruct someone to call emergency services and bring an AED, an automated external defibrillator, if available. Quickly assess if the person is breathing normally. Look for chest movement. At the same time, check the carotid pulse on the side of the neck. This should be done in no more than 10 seconds. If there is no pulse and no normal breathing, start CPR immediately. To perform CPR, place the heel of one hand on the center of the chest. Place the other hand on top and interlock your fingers. Keep your elbows locked and shoulders directly over your hand. Deliver compressions at a depth of at least 2 inches or 5 centimeters at a rate of about 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Allow full chest recoil after each compression and minimize interruptions at all costs. After each 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Open the airway using the head tilt chin lift maneuver. Pinch the nose shut and give each breath over 1 second. Continue the cycle of 30 compressions and 2 breaths. If an automated external defibrillator is available, turn it on. Follow the voice prompt. Expose the chest and attach the parts as shown on the device. The AED will automatically analyze the heart rhythm. If a shock is advised, deliver the shock and immediately resume CPR, starting with compressions. Do not stop CPR unless emergency professionals take over. The person shows signs of life. You become too exhausted to continue, or if there is a valid do not resuscitate order. If the person starts breathing normally but remain unconscious, place them in recovery position and monitor closely until emergency service arrives. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation is not just a medical skill, it is a life-saving skill. One day, it could be your action that saves a life.